everyone, welcome to day 234 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this wave mesh stitch. So this stitch is crocheted on a foundation chain that is a multiple of 8 plus 2. So here I have about 30 plus 34 chains on my hook. So to start off, we are going to skip 17 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and make one single crochet. Now chain 7, 6 and 7, skip 7 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and make one single crochet. So you can just crochet this to any length that you want. Basically you chain 7, skip 7 and make one single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, again skip 7. And into the 8th stitch, you're going to make one single crochet. Okay. Now, for the next row, you have to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3, and make one. So basically, you have to make one double crochet for each of the chain stitch that you made. You can either crochet on top of the on top of the chain stitch, or you can crochet into this space here. Okay, so into the chain space, you can crochet 7 double crochet stitches. Okay, so once you have done 7 double crochet stitches, what you can do is skip this single crochet and make 7 double crochet stitches. Okay, again skip this single crochet, make 7 double crochet stitches. Okay, and the last double crochet, just to get a straight edge, you can, this kind of gives 3 chains at this end of the work, the 17 chains that we skipped. So you just have to crochet onto one of these stitches, or you can count 7 chains and into the 8th one you can crochet 1 double crochet. Now for the next row, you are going to chain 3, then again chain 4, So the chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. The chain 4 counts as the chain space, and you have to crochet 1 single crochet into the 4th double crochet. Again chain 7, 6, 7, and make 1 single crochet onto the 4th double crochet of this stitch. Okay, again chain 7 and make 1 single crochet on top of the 4th double crochet here. Again chain 4, make 1 single crochet on top of the last stitch. So what this essentially does is it creates this interlace space between the stitches right here. Okay, so now again when you start the next row, you just chain 3, make 4 double crochets onto this stitch, and then you skip the single crochet and make 7 double crochets onto these chains here. Or if you want to continue crocheting into the space, you can do that as well. What I feel is when you crochet into the chains, it kind of gives the structure for the stitch rather than crocheting into the chain spaces. It's not much of a difference, but then you can you're able to maintain that shape, and you're also able to easily track the number of stitches that you're making, because you just have to make 1 double crochet into each of the spaces. But of course crocheting into the space is faster than crocheting into the chains, so it depends on what your priority is for this particular project. So again skip this one single crochet, and then make 1 double crochet onto each of these chain spaces. So from here on it is just a repeat row where you just find the middle stitch of each of these cluster of 7 double crochet stitches, and you place your single crochet. One row starts with a chain 7, and you crochet into the 4th double crochet, and the next row starts with a chain 7 and you crochet into the middle stitch of the first 7 double crochet space. So that's about the pattern. If you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below, and do try out the stitch, and if you make something out of it, don't forget to tag us on our Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.